Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in Siemens NX. In this tutorial we are going to model this machine component using NX. While modeling any component in NX, first do the material addition feature, then go for the material removal features. After modeling this component in NX, the component will look like this. This is the component. Now we'll learn how to model this component step by step. First go to the file, new, model, millimeter. Here we can provide any model name, specify the location where you want to save, then OK. Now we have opened the model. For each drawing, I'm going to keep this file left side and the software in the right side. Now we'll go for modeling it. First we'll start with the base plate and left plate. Go to the sketch, front plane. Make sure the red color arrow in the right side always. Then only the view will come in the same view. Just say OK. Take the line. Start from here. Then from an origin. Then left side. Here. Somewhere here. Just press the shift and move your object. Here you can see it's coming parallel and close the sketch. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Now we have created the sketch. Now specify the dimension one by one. This dimension is 66. Do you want to scale the entire sketch? No. Press the roller to confirm. This line and this line. These two lines are equal lines. Press the roller to confirm. Now this side you specify it. This height is 60. Press the roller to confirm. Now we need to specify this height. This is 12. Just click here. Just 12. Press enter. Press the roller to confirm. Now you can see the line is completely black color. And here also you can see sketch is fully defined. Then go for finish sketch. Extrude. Here make sure symmetric value. The total extrusion length is 42. Just enter the value of 42. Press enter. Just say OK. Just hide the sketch. Now we have created this sketch. Then we'll go for creating this rib. To create the rib, we just want to create only line. Go to the sketch. Front plane. Now make sure you are the red color arrow in this side. Just say OK. Now take a line. Make sure you are in the entire assembly. Then only you can able to take a points from the previous model. This point and somewhere here. Just delete it. Take a line. This point and to this point. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Now we have created this line. Then just specify the height here, which is 42. Select this point and select it here. This distance is 42. Press the roller to confirm. Now here you can see sketch is fully defined. Finish the sketch. Now go for the rib. This is the feature I have taken from the inside. If you don't have any feature, this ribbon here, then go to the menu, insert, design features, rib. You will get this feature. After selecting the line, automatically it will come like this, parallel to the section plane. Symmetric, thickness, combine rib with the target. Like this it will automatically take. The value of thickness is same 12. Just say OK. That's it. Now we have created the rib. Then we just want to create one round and one cut. For creating this round, just go to the edge blend. Select this edge as well as select this edge. The radius of this round is 21. Just make sure you are entered 21. Just say OK. Then we just want to create this cut. For that just go to the sketch. Select this surface. Just cancel it. Now you can see the red color arrow is coming right side to your model. Just select the sketch. Then only you will get the same view. Just say OK. Now take a circle. Now here we just want to put a triangle. For that just start from here, somewhere from here, and connect it to this point and here, and close the sketch. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Now specify the dimension which is 12 and 12. Click it here. This is 12. Just no. Press the roller and again click here. This also be a 12. Press the roller to confirm. Now we have created the sketch which is fully defined. Then go for finish sketch. Extrude. Change the direction. Infer, it's automatically taken subtract. Here we make it until next. Just say OK. Now we have created a cut here which by using extrude 7. We just want to create the same cut here. For that we can go for mirror. Select this extrude 7. Then go for mirror feature. If you are not getting this one, just go to menu, insert, associate copy, mirror feature. Here we need to choose the plane. Mirror plane is this one. Just say OK. Now we have created this object. Just have a look once. Is there any feature is missing? Now we have created all the features, which is simple steps. So in this tutorial we have learned how to model this component. In next tutorial we will come up with a new component. If you like this video, please share to our friends. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.